Williams, Philippines. Hello. Trying to do this without my glasses on this side, and you just using this eye here. Yay. Got a bit of a headache. All that pressure that was felt yesterday. Yeah, it was pressure. Got over to. They looked at it this afternoon. They got me in and out pretty quick, which is a good thing. Aces was taking care of me. They prescribed another bit of medicine and prescribed another one of the ones for the surgery for next week, Tuesday. This is the bag that it came home in. These are the papers that are sopping board wet. Yeah, they got soaked. Yeah, about the only thing that didn't get soaked was my passport because it was actually in a Ziploc baggie. My ticky tacks are all sticky and tacked. Yeah. Oh, hey, one moved. Yeah, that kind of. I came home soaking wet. Uh, I can tell you for sure that if a Maxim or one of the Hobble Hobble drivers calls up and asks, "Are you okay with a raincoat?" "Oh, I don't have one." "Are you sure you want to do this?" You might want to think twice about it. Because, quite honestly, we had to reroute. It came down hard enough that there was a section of flooding, and we had to reroute around the flooding. And when Hubble Hubble drivers are out there hustling through and stop, look at something, and turn around, yeah, you can be pretty much 100% guaranteed it's a mess. And you don't want to be in it. Uh, yeah. Sorry, I do have a headache. I got home and the first thing I did was start eating. Well, first thing I did was shed all the clothes and try to hang them up in the shower or in the bathroom CR to let them start drying because they're so sopping wet that they were dripping all the way into the house. Yeah, uh, it is what it is. Now I gotta try to separate the papers so I can read what my prescription says about the medicine I'm supposed to take. I don't know. But yeah, the pressure was a little bit high. I think they had the same issue with when they did my uh, retina detachment stuff. When they did the work on it to get it done. Tired. Yeah, getting back here turned into a three-ring circus. And I can tell you, these plastic kind of bills, yeah, they might be plastic, but they got some sort of cotton in them too because they're wet. And I do mean wet, as in had to peel them apart. It is what it is. Anyway, I got my eyes took care of and scheduled for next Tuesday morning at 8 for this eye. And oh, I'm so glad about that. I'm quite honestly, I wish I could have talked him into doing it today. Hmm, it is what it is. Gonna get the trifocal on this one. That'll be good. Whew. tired. Have a headache, and quite honestly, I think I'm going to curl up and warm up. Somebody that said I'd be saying that here in the Philippines, I'd have probably looked at them like they were completely crazy. But then I just spent a good 25, 30 minutes in the rain getting drowned. I mean, I was wondering about the integrity of my butthole as to water tightness. I had a car go by me and spray enough water up on me that it was unreal. My clothes got dirty from water off the. Yeah. Needless to say, yeah, gritty. They're hanging. I'm going to let them drip dry as much as I can and then put them in the laundry. And hopefully they will make it through. I've got a mission for tomorrow. Yeah. My mission, whether I want to accept it or not, is to get over and get, yeah, I want to get the raincoat. I need one. I don't know if I should go ahead and get a complete rain suit, just the rain poncho, a good one, or get a rain poncho and a couple of plastic toss ones that I can keep in my little backpack. But my little backpack got soaked through too. I pulled my little out of here. I don't know how well. There you go. That is the back of my little case for my iPad. That's the inside of my little case for my iPad. And I'm wondering, does it still work? Uh, so, yeah. Interesting day. But yes, next time a Hubble Hubble driver asks, or the Maxim driver Hubble Hubble guy asks me, am I sure? I think I'm going to say no. Go ahead, cancel me. I'll wait. Although I'd probably still be there because it's still raining. I don't know. But when I looked on the weather thing, it said it was supposed to clear up in the morning and stop raining and be nice in the afternoon. Yeah. Boy, I'm trying to get used to the idea of looking at the camera. It's way up there on top, another almost foot up from where my center of vision is here. So, yeah, I don't know. I might need to get a little stand for it, put it right in front where I can stare at it with the vision behind it. I don't know. All I know for sure right now is I'm trying to dry out. My hair is all. Uh, I'm only supposed to take showers from here down for yesterday, today, and tomorrow, which is good. They don't want the water getting in my eyes from what we've got. It comes out around here. So yeah. Oh, and stay away from large crowds. Okay. Yeah. I'm okay with the idea of staying away from large crowds, but around here they consider 50 people to be small. I I don't know, but I do want to get a raincoat. That'll be one of the missions of my next trip out. I will get a raincoat of some sort, even if it's just a couple of tossers, plastic bag kind. I don't know. I will see how much they cost and what are the options. The Hobble Hobble driver said that they had them at uh, Park Mall. I almost had him pull over and let me go get one. Uh, but by that time, I was already starting to think about the integrity of my exit because I was that wet. Well, as you can see, something that was inside a bag and up against me was soaking through from me to it. Yeah. Eh, it is what it is. Anyway, I'm going to call this. This is William Williams Philippines. More food, more friends, more family. Oh, and again, more food. Like, comment, subscribe. You do you. Uh, I'm Fish, and Fish is out.